Welcome to the Limitless platform tutorial. In this video, we will enter our first market, review our portfolio, and sell some shares. Go to the Limitless Exchange website. Click the Sign In button and connect your EVM wallet by signing the authorization message. On the main page, you will find various markets based on different events. Choose one you'd like to bet on. To enter your first market, you will need some funds on the base network. Enter the amount of tokens you are comfortable to bet with. Choose the preferred outcome. Unlock tokens and sign the transaction in your wallet. Remember to only unlock the same amount as you're betting with. Click the Confirm button and sign the transaction in your wallet. On the portfolio page, you will find all the markets you have entered. By clicking on the History tab, you will see your transaction history. After entering the market, you are free to sell your shares before the resolution. Go to the market of your choice, click the Sell button, and then choose an available outcome. Enter the amount of tokens you want to sell and approve the transaction in your wallet. To finalize the sale, click the Trade button and approve the transaction in your wallet once more.